Welcome back to my kitchen. If you watched my meal planning Monday video this last week, you saw that I had mentioned trying to fry sardines. So that's what we're going to do. I'm just going to wash that off real good. It's a good time to use these because I shall they expire in January of 25. Alright, these are probably about the cheapest sardines you can buy at Walmart. So, probably $1 or something. This is sardines in Louisiana hot sauce. So, let's open them up. Ooh, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Sammy says, I want a bite of that. I'm going to take some of that sauce off. Come on now. Come on now. I'm going to put that there. Because I'm going to put it in a egg wash. And then I'm going to use some of the cornmeal. Oh, I'm going to need to be careful here. It fall apart. Cornmeal that I use to fry the fry fish. Oh, I don't know if this is going to work. They're kind of falling apart. I'm going to have fish sardine. This is not working the way I thought. I'm wondering if the ones that are not in a sauce would be a little bit more firm. And the mackerels. I think the mackerels are bigger. I'm new to this frying sardine thing. But I thought I'd try it. So we're going to have little bits. Sammy, is your mouth watering? This is how you professionally dry your sardines. Alright, let me get the egg wash out and the cornmeal stuff. We're going to try it. It's going to either be a really big fail or not. And this has already been opened. I'm going to use this New Orleans style fish fry seafood breading mix. This is what I use when I fry trout or, well, any fish. Really good. Ooh, good tasting. Probably don't need a lot for those little bitty fish. And of course, I'm making a mess. It wouldn't be Frugal's kitchen without a mess, would it? Alright. Egg. I need an egg. I guess it could be good. Need a little bit of half and half. I don't want to use any more egg because I really don't think this is going to work. Alright. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it's gonna just be fish sardine nuggets. Sardine nuggets. Hey, look at there. Be gentle. They're fragile. Alright. How many of these do you think I'm going to get out of here? I don't want to can I do this? Let's just flip them over into the... There we go. Flipping them over there into the stuff. How many people already clicked off this video? Yeah. Okay, be gentle. Be gentle. Oh, that's not very gentle. Oh. Okay, I think I'm going to get some frying. Go ahead and get some frying because I don't want them to be stuck together. All right. Yeah, I've seen enough of that. I've seen enough of that. I'm not going to use a whole lot. Just enough to... Sammy's like, I really like this recipe. She's thinking she's going to like it. You're not getting any of this, baby girl. No, you're not. You're not going to get any of this. Well, it'd take an awful lot of cans of sardines to make a meal, I can tell you that. But I'm still thinking that the mackerels, maybe. Canned mackerels will be the way to go. So this might not be the end of this experiment. Yeah, wasn't ready. Gentle. Didn't I say gentle? Gentle. Be gentle with him. Be gentle. Alright. Looks like it's doing a little bit better than what we were doing. I have to tell myself these are sardines because otherwise it's like, what does that look like? I don't know. I don't know what that looks like. A nice little snack. Yeah, I decided not to do both cans in case this was a fail because I can still use that other can for sardine dip. Okay, I'll turn this over. Oh, they look good. You know, if I had tartar sauce, it would be awesome. Okay, you think I fried them to death? I'll need to let them cool for a minute and then we will taste. What'd you think? Yeah. I know you would like, yeah, you would like a bite, but it's not going to happen in Tawi. I took a little bite so I wouldn't be shocked on camera. I still don't like the fishy taste, but I think the Louisiana hot sauce that was in the sardines made it tasty. Plus, this is Louisiana, and it is somewhat New Orleans style. I think it has a spice to it too. So, I could eat this. Actually, the more I eat it, that Louisiana hot sauce is kicking in. It's like, oh, it's spicy. I think if I had some kind of dip with it, it would really be better. It'd be good. Tartar sauce. Thinking about, because all I have is mayonnaise. I don't have any pickles to make tartar sauce. I don't really want to make a whole bunch anyway. I've got some vinegar. But I have a little bit of ranch dressing. Maybe a little bit of ranch would help this. It's not bad. Not bad. So, if you like sardines, you should try this. Because it's not bad. I think I'm going to try it a little bit with ranch. Mostly just to cut down on the heat because it's hot. A little bit of ranch. That's good. It does cut the heat. And the taste. Now it tastes like ranch. Not bad. I think y'all should try it. If you do try it, put down in the comments that you tried it and let me know what you think.